Hi, I'm Craig Worth of BoilerMag. I'm the National Sales Manager and I'm here today to talk about the new exciting SURECHECK Instant Water Test Kit. And this will give you immediate results if your heating system has passed or failed. So what we're doing now, we took our water sample, is just literally take one of the 30 test strips that we supply with the SURECHECK kit, put that in the water, as so. Shake off the residue and then place onto the card. Simply scan the QR code, which will take you to your landing page where you can register. Okay, so we've now got our test card with our test strip results. So on phase 4 of the test, it says here to add photo, which I'll press here. I'll then take a picture of the results, use photo and press next. Now on stage 5, they're going to ask for the colours on the chart. First question is the water appearance, which of course is clear. And then I'm going to put in the relevant colour codes here. Then I'll finish test. And as we can see, the system has passed. So on the last screen, we then have options of sharing the results with the necessary clients or customers. So we've now completed the SURECHECK water test. We do stipulate on the SURECHECK that you must use the BM1 inhibitor because that's what the test strips are searching for, the properties in the chemical itself. To flush the system, we'd always recommend BM3 cleaner. But also, to help the power flushing, we do offer the BoilerMag flush adapter, and this just makes power flushing so much easier and cleaner, not having to remove radiators. Thank you for your time today, and hopefully you enjoy the new product.